Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will be showing you how to customize deal cards in PipeDrive. Customizing deal cards can help you better manage and visualize your sales pipelines. So let's dive into these steps. First, we need to log into our PipeDrive account and navigate to your sales pipeline. You will see a series of deal cards representing your ongoing deals, and these cards contain key information like deal value, contact details, and deal stage. Now, to start customizing, click on the Customize button at the top of the pipeline view. This will open a menu where you can modify what information is displayed on each deal card. Here, you can choose which fields you want to display on your deal cards. You might want to include fields like deal value, close date, or custom fields specific to your business. Simply check the boxes next to the fields you want to appear on the cards. You can also drag and drop the fields to rearrange their order on the card. This allows you to prioritize the important information at a glance. And once you are happy with the changes, click Save to apply the customization. Your deal cards will now display the selected fields in the order you have chosen. And that is how you customize deal cards in PipeDrive. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.